Food doesn't taste fresh? Out. Annoyed with electricity cost? Out.
Manual.
Frustrated with breakdowns? Out. Unhappy with noises? Out. Aha! LG is here to help. Introducing LG's Inverter Linear Technology. Freshness, energy efficiency, durability, quiet. How is it possible? Conventional motors have too many unnecessary components, but LG's Inverter Linear Technology is designed only with essential parts, improving performance and durability. Delivering unrivaled freshness. LG is the first to add linear technology to its refrigerators, ensuring food stays fresher for longer.
Everything you touch is golden to me. I'm much richer